Guys, good afternoon. Oh. As of today, this is Lekki. Oh. Lekki phase 1. Almighty Lekki. Make una see water. Water enter everywhere. Oh. Water the rich person for Nyash. Inside Lekki estate. Guys, please let me like this video, share, comment. Oh. Abeg, talk am as e be.
Oh, Jesus.
Who said Africa doesn't have water? Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, ma'am.
So we are outside. We are live from Lekki, and this is our life.
Yeah, the big boys' life in Lekki.
The big boys' life in Lekki. This is us just going to the supermarket to buy drink. Even inside supermarket, there's water. This is crazy. Good evening. Omo, what be this? Ah. Hello.
Oh, the struggle. The suffer is real.
gbogbo Nàìjíríà lápọ̀ gbogbo bí dábàá ti ń gbọ́ wa oko ọ̀pẹ la wà yìí níjẹ̀dẹ̀ o òkè eléètù ẹ ṣàánú wa àdúgbò wa lélẹ́yìí o omi ti lé wa tẹ́ bá máa mi ò tiẹ̀ lè wọlé mo ti gba gbogbo everything jẹ́ bí ṣe wà yìí bàtà gan kò sí bàtà kankan lẹ́sẹ̀ mi lẹ́yìn aṣọ tí mo wọ̀ sọ́rùn yìí ẹ wá ṣàánú wa ní 4th of August 2025 everything ta kó sínú ilé ló ti gbé lọ ẹ wà àdúgbò wa o àwọn èèyàn wá ń rescue àwọn èèyàn wọn ni o àríbi tá a máa gbà jáde o Lagos State Governor.
What is happening in Lekki phase 1? Look at luxury cars putting their cars inside this rubbish water. because of Songo. This is Lekki phase 1. This is what Lekki phase 1 have done to under Songo. Those simple drainage systems. See people fighting to fix a car. This is Lekki phase 1. Imagine. That's crazy.
You see this particular car, don't worry, steering rack. Once you just reach house, steering rack or for money, the steering rack is gone.